Hello, and welcome to your new savings tracker. In this guide, I'll walk you step by step through the setup so you can start saving with clarity and motivation. This video also applies to the Dark Edition. Both versions work exactly the same, only the design is different. Step 1. Select your currency. Go to the transactions sheet and choose your preferred currency in cell D4. This will apply throughout the file. Step 2. Set up your savings goals. Switch to the savings overview sheet. Here you can enter up to 20 savings goals, for example, vacation or emergency fund. Fill in only the gray fields: goal name, start date, goal amount, goal date, and starting amount. Make sure each goal has a unique name. If you want similar goals, just add a number, like Vacation 1 and Vacation 2. Otherwise, the calculations won't work correctly. Step 3. Track your transactions. Go back to the transactions sheet. For each saving entry, simply add the date, the amount, and select the goal name. Your balances in the savings overview will automatically update, so you can see your progress in real time. Step 4. Monitor your progress. In the savings overview, you'll find visual dashboards with donut charts and data bars. These update automatically and show you how close you are to reaching each goal. You'll also find a README sheet included in your file. There you'll see important information, a short instruction, and tips to make sure everything works smoothly. Thank you for watching this quick guide. Have fun saving, and see you in the next tutorial.